it's time for Primary 1 Dictation Review, Colourful Toys. To start off, let's review our vowels. Do you know what they are? That's right, they are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes letter Y. Let's say the short vowel sounds together. A, E, I, Now there's a few words with short vowels that you'll need to know. R, E, D, red. B, S, bus. D, O, L, doll. This word has 2 letter L's because the letter before is a short vowel sound. Look at these words: doll, will, tell, shell, ball, tall. They all have 2 letter L's because the letter before is a short vowel. Black, black. We use CK again because the letter before is a short vowel sound, just like the word duck from last time. Next, there's magic E words again. Let's read it without the magic E. Pull, and plan. Once we add magic E, we read pull, ain, plane. The next word has a ghost letter. That means the letter has no sound at all. We read this word w, it, wit. After we add the magic E, we read w, ite, white. There are more letter friends. These are the hardest to remember, but there's some from last time. A. Wait a minute. This is also A. They make the same sound, and the sound R. Let's read the words that they're in. A, they. Tr, a, n, train. K, R, car. Here are the new letter friends. Oo, O, air. Bl, oo, blue. Y, L, O, yellow. B, air, bear. Now, to be good at reading and spelling, you also need to be good at dividing syllables. To divide the word robot, first find the vowels. Once you've found them, look at the letter in the middle. Usually, if it is a 5-letter word, this letter in the middle will go to the second syllable. So we divide after the letter O. Now we read it. If there's no letter after this vowel, it usually will say its name. So we say R, O, row. B, ot, bot. Robot. Let's divide teddy. Find the vowels. This word is easy. It's got 2 letters that are the same, so we divide in the middle. Now we read t, e, d, ted, d, e, d. Letter Y makes lots of sounds. Here, it's making the E sound. Hold up 2 fingers, because in a 2-syllable word, Y makes the E sound when it's at the end. It's also in the word happy. These words are in your book. Baby, cherry, sunny, juicy, yummy, dirty. If Y is at the beginning, we say ya. To divide this word, find the vowels again. Look in the middle. There are 2 letters that are the same, so you can divide in between. Now we read y, e, l, yell, l, o, low, yellow. Of course, there are tricky words that are hard to use phonics to help you spell. One word is the word color. First, you divide the syllables. The first syllable, k, k. The O is not making its normal sound, it's making the short U sound, in words like onion, Monday, mother, love. So that first O is making the sound. In the second syllable, O-U-R together is making the sound. When you put it together, we say color. Figure out any way to help you remember how to spell this word. Let's talk about some ghost letters again. It's found in this word, what. This word is extra tricky because the A is making the sound. If it's easier, just remember you can spell the word hat inside the word what. That's the end of our phonics review. Check out our next video to quiz yourself.